Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to She's Crafty, a mini paper pad class. And in that class, you can use 6x6 paper pads and a sketch. She has a sketch for every week. And I'm also doing it for Baby Got Scraps, so I will be using scraps too. And the only rule with that one is you've got to use one 12x12 paper, and that's it, no other 12x12 papers. I'm going to do this sketch here for She's Crafty's class. Instead of two photos on the top, I'm only going to have one. And instead of that photo on the bottom right, I'm going to have a tag. Otherwise, I'm going to stay pretty close to the layout and, well, sketch. And I'm going to use almost three 6x6 sheets of paper out of that paper pad. And this is, if you recognize it, this is the same ones I used last week. I just went ahead and did the layout right then since I had it out anyway. And you're supposed to do two layouts out of each paper pad that you pull. And so there's going to be 4 more paper pads in this class. I cut my 6x6 sheet in half, 3x6, and it's going to span across the page. And then I'm pulling 2 more sheets out to use to mat my photo. One of them has happy birthday on it over and over. I think that's what it has. It has something anyway. And I'm going to have part of it showing underneath the bottom of her picture so you can see the banners going across there. And I did a lighter color for the one closer to the picture. And then the second mat's going to be more colorful. And my granddaughter is at the same party she was last week. And she had ate cake, and it's all over her face, including her nose. So my title is going to have something to do with that. Now, the only rule with the Baby's Got Scraps is one 12x12 paper, and that's it. So since I'm using the 6x6 paper pad and scraps, we're still good on that one too. And the dies I pulled to use are diamond dies. No, diamond press dies. And these are all for a birthday. And I'm going to cut out cake time since she does have cake on her face. And I'm going to cut something else out by offhand. I can't think of what it is. I did this last week. Oh yeah, I cut the banner out thinking maybe I would use it. But then I changed my mind. I even embossed it and everything. But it'll be ready for the next time I need a banner. And I backed the "It Is" on the party time, cake time, in red so it'd show up a little bit better. And I'm going to end up putting it on a yellow banner, and I glue it down everything before I realized the end of the die cut is yellow. And it shows up really good in person, but it kind of don't show up as good on the video. I think on the layout, it has 1 banner and 2 with the end cut straight, but I'm going to do 2 banners and only 1 with the end cut straight. I was really tempted to cut the banner tail on it too, but I didn't. I went ahead and left it straight. And I'm going to cut that yellow one in half and have it behind the picture so it looks longer. So it's going to come over to the left a little bit, whereas it don't in the original sketch. And in case you all were wondering, that photo is a little blurry, but blurry or not, I liked it. So yeah, I don't mind using blurry photos on my paper as long as I get to document the memory. And I want her to see her face when she gets a little bit older. She'll probably laugh just like she's doing in the photo right now. I am going to use one of the chipboard banners that says surprise. And I was tempted to make my title be "Surprise, You've Got Cake on Your Face," but I didn't. I made it "Surprise, She's Saving Some for Later" instead. And I'm cutting out, I'm going to make me a tag, and I'm going to use that rainbow paper for my tag, but I wanted something on it. I didn't want it plain since I'm going to put it in the bottom right hand corner in place of a photo. So I am putting the giraffe there. I think it is what I'm putting there. Yeah, no, it's a zebra. I did put a giraffe on one. I think maybe it might have been last week's when I put the giraffe on there. But yeah, this time it's a zebra that I'm going to put there. But I didn't want to put another picture. There was a couple others, but like one was of Jason, and I had to make a smaller picture for him or put it up there with her. And I wanted to talk about her cake, so I decided one photo and to put something on the tag that was kind of like a picture, sort of, kind of. Oh, and the reason I pulled this die set out was because it's cake time. I thought that was a good die. And then I wanted to make balloons to go on the layout. So I am going to cut them out, and then I'm going to back them. I'm going to get 5, so it's an odd number. I'm going to back them in the pink vellum and fussy cut around them. So the little dog that's a balloon dog is going to take just a little longer than the rest, but it's worth it because he is so cute when he gets done. Well, maybe she, since she's pink. And at first I thought I'd make all my balloons a different color, but I knew I was backing them in pink. So then I thought, well, I really like the red and the polka dots behind her, the bokeh dots. They kind of remind me of bokeh. And I thought, I'm going to pull the red out of that. So I decided to use the pink with the red and stick with one color. Maybe it's a theme party. Everything's red except what isn't. And thinking about cakes and cupcakes, I got to thinking about a doily because, a lot of times they set it on a doily. And so I decided to add that to my layout. But of course, I'm going to have to put some stuff on there. So my decorations or embellishments are going to go like a triangle from the bottom right up to the left side of her photo, then on over to the balloons and the cake time thing. And I am going to use the only donut that's on that sticker sheet. But I thought I'd put the ice cream down first since, it's bigger. And then put my donut overlapping it a little bit with some foam tape. And then I'm going to add some candy to the page too because, it's a party. There's lots of sweets going on there. But that sticker sheet you see, I got it from Walmart a couple years ago, 2 or 3. And yeah, they're little, but they make a great little embellishment for your page. It was either like 97 cents or $1.97. Well worth the price to get that much little puffy stuff to put on your page. And they're adorable little pieces of candy. So I'm going to put them here and there to add candy to my page. But isn't that dog balloon adorable? That is really what made me want to buy those dies. That and for birthday cards. I have used it numerous times since I got it. But I almost always have to use that little dog when I do, because I think he is just too cute. And I'm using those freckled fawn alphas for the rest of my title. So it starts out surprise, and then the rest of it is she's saving some for later, meaning the cake that's on her face. But yeah, she looks cute with it all over her face. Some of those cakes just don't leave you a chance to stay clean and neat. Oh, I forgot. I didn't put she on there. I was already using a couple of S's and I talked myself out of it. I thought, well, I don't need another S on here, so I didn't put the she on there. So surprise, saving some for later. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. If you look down there below, you'll see the links to the other gals that are doing the She's Crafty class and the ones that are doing Baby Got Scraps. And if you leave a comment, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But yeah, there's my donut. And see that candy? Isn't it cute? But yeah, you can see the cake time of the yellow part because the end of it's got that orange. So it still shows up pretty good close up. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. And there'll be another one next week. Well, for the next 8 weeks for the She's Crafty and then the Baby Got Scraps through the end of the month. But have a happy scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.